everyone! Mayong adlaw mga higala, I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be making watermelon cupcakes, okay? For the ingredients, I have here cake flour, granulated white sugar, baking powder, salt, and then my egg yolks, tapos my watermelon juice, okay? You can use instant juice, but I'll be using the fresh watermelon na food processed. And then, vegetable oil, egg whites, tapos cream of tartar. And then I have some chocolate chips. Later, you'll know paano ilagay yan. And then some food color. I have green and red food color. And for the frosting later, I'll be using my Mona Lisa whipping cream. Okay? Let's start. In your bowl, sift natin si cake flour. And then our baking powder. And yung iodized salt. After that, lagay natin si granulated white sugar. Okay? Make a well of the center. Let's put the vegetable oil, yung egg yolks, and then yung watermelon juice. Okay? Tapos, mix natin. Set aside natin, and then let's go to our meringue. Our egg white and our sugar. So, in your mixer, if you have KitchenAid, use whisk attachment. Lagay mo si egg white and cream of tartar. Okay? Yan. So, whip this one until soft thick, and then slowly add your sugar. Slowly add your sugar. Tapos, whip it until stiff. Okay? Whip it until like this. Tapos, let's fold your meringue dito sa egg yolk mixture. Okay? Konti muna. Then, let's fold the rest. After this, kuha tayo konti, 1/3 of the mixture. Then, let's put green color, okay? I'm using you can use gel or konting liquid. Don't put too much tama lang. Okay, and then the other one, let's put red. For the red, you put 1 tablespoon. Kasi mas maraming mixture to. Then get your cupcake liner and your cupcake pan. I'm using green color. Tapos, let's use the scooper. And then, after the green, lagyan natin ng choco chips konti. Then, after this, bake na natin for around 15 minutes. Okay? Our watermelon cupcake is baked already. Then, lagyan na natin ng frosting. Okay? So, you can use Mona Lisa na ready to whip, or you can use Bravo whipping cream. Okay? Then, you can add watermelon juice again. If Bravo whipping cream yung gamit nyo, since hindi siya liquid, you can add 1/2 cup of watermelon para mas malasa. If ever Mona Lisa, 1/8 to 1/4 lang. Okay? Kasi liquid siya. And since yung watermelon na fruit juice mismo, hindi masyadong makulay, you can drop red color. Huwag niyo masyadong damihan Yan. Okay, do not over whip it. Just until ganyan lang. Okay? Then I have here 2D. Slow started. Guys, if you can find watermelon juice, yung sa tang, mas consistent yung flavor nun. Mas malasa yun. Hindi ko lang mahintay si Tang kasi ito yung gusto ng anak ko sa birthday niya. Okay? So, hold your piping bag 90 degrees tapos swirl natin going up. Okay? Then, let's put some chocolate chips para magmukhang watermelon. There you go, guys! Our watermelon cupcakes. See? Pinahirapan ako ng anak ko. She wants kasi fruit cupcake for her birthday. Again, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. And please push or click the notification bell para mas updated kayo sa videos. Bye!